Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Load Chrome Music Lab in Chrome and pick Songmaker. First, set the scale to a classical-friendly key like C major, choose 4/4 and a moderate tempo. Once done, expand the grid to 16 or 32 steps so phrases can breathe. Next, enable piano roll view and silence any default drums. You'll add them later. Make sure your audio output is working, and the metronome is on so timing stays consistent as you sketch Beethoven-like motifs. You'll now craft the heart of the piece. Write a short, repeated motif and then alter it. This mimics Beethoven's motivic development. Use 1 to 2 measure cells, then change one pitch or rhythm. This creates tension and interest. For harmony, add a steady left-hand pattern that outlines the tonic and dominant with octave leaps. That gives weight. Once stable, introduce a contrasting minor phrase or suspension to add drama. Then return to the motif, so listeners feel resolution. Finish by polishing. Balance volumes so the melody sings above accompaniment and swap instruments. Try a bright piano for melody and a warm pad for support. Once done, add slight tempo shifts or a brief ritardando at the end for expressive closure. Export your work as WAV or MIDI to preserve fidelity. If playback stutters or exports fail, make sure Chrome has audio permissions, close heavy tabs, and reduce buffer size or grid resolution. That usually fixes glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.